In SalesJet, you have also the partnership area. The partnership area is designed for you to become an affiliate and make money with SalesJet. This is the link that you need to use in order to connect your mailing list to your SalesJet account. What it means is that if a person uses this link, however you have promoted to this person, if the person's click on this link to get to SalesJet and becomes a customer, whether it's a paid customer or free customers, you basically become connected to that customer. And when these customers start to create paid projects, you will receive 25% of whatever payment plan the person chooses, whether it's the private jet or the business class, whatever paid projects he decide to create, you receive 25% of it. And then if your affiliate, if the person that you sold to decide to promote and sell to someone else, you will receive 10% of whatever he sells. So you get 25 from this guy and 10% for this guy. That way, if you create a relationship like we have some of our users, if you create a relationship with, for example, a marketing agency or PR firms or an email marketing company and so on and so forth, you can really generate a stream of income, a very stable and substantial stream of income for yourself automatically, helping others achieve higher goals in their marketing. So this area, the partnership area, is an area that I hope you're going to use a lot and make a lot of money. And we're going to spread the SalesJet culture around the world.